right, first things first then, let's connect with B2B SaaS startup, that's Atomicwork. They've secured close to $11 million in a seed funding round. That's been led by Blume Ventures and Matrix Partners India. Let's connect then with Vijay Rayapati, who is the CEO at Atomicworks. Vijay, good to have you on board. Thanks so much for taking time out and joining in. So it's been a very tough funding environment, but despite that $11 million fundraise, can you tell us the details of all the investors that have participated?
Yeah, thank you, Avanne, for having me here. So we raised $11 million seed. This funding round is co-led by Matrix Investors, Matrix Partners India, and Blume Ventures. Also with participation from Storm Ventures in US and Neon Fund.
And, interested to know what exactly this will be utilized towards. I understand that product development, engineering, etc., are some of the areas.
Yeah, that's right. So primarily we'll be using these things for, three key areas. One is, obviously our product development and then our US go-to-market. Three is, bringing in AI native capabilities into Atomicwork.
So what's the game plan down the line? Because you're looking to add close to 100 mid-market enterprise customers on the platform. How many do you have at present?
Yeah, so we've been, testing Atomicwork over last quarter or so, primarily in the US market. That's our primary market. We are looking to add 100 plus customers in the next 12 months in the mid to enterprise segment. Essentially, businesses that have around 1,000 to 2,000 employees is what we are targeting.
Now, clearly, you're leveraging technology, in particular AI, to solve a lot of problems. Tell us about some of the collaboration tools that you use, like Microsoft Teams, etc.
Yeah, I mean, that's a great question. So we work on top of existing collaboration tools like Microsoft Teams or Slack that most businesses today use for their internal communications. If you think of Atomicwork solution, Atom, which is essentially an application that works inside your Slack or Microsoft Teams to provide instant help for employees inside any organization and also deliver, support services for them.
Now, given that a fundraising round or a seed round is usually in the range of $2 to $5 million, you've well exceeded that, $11 million. Tell us a little bit more about how you managed to score that and what that pegs the valuation of the company at.
Yeah, so primarily demonstrates, our investors' trust, both in the founding team of Atomicwork, as well as, the mission that we are going after, which is essentially simplify, employee experience and, improve the enterprise productivity. We have not publicly disclosed, what the valuation of the round is, but as you rightly said, this is not a normal seed. And we are very thankful to our investors, both Blume and Matrix. This gives us a very long runway to essentially continue on our journey and get to go to market in US.
So what about competition? Because there are a lot of players in the space. So how are you planning to stand out?
Yeah, so in this space specifically, there are a lot of legacy players, folks ranging from SAP, IBM, to ServiceNow. What we are doing as Atomicwork is to bring a modern software and intelligent software. Essentially, we believe that's going to be our key differentiator. To provide both great value in terms of ROI for our customers, as well as deliver a delightful experience for our end users who are going to be, employees of our customers.
What are your long-term targets? What are your long-term goals as to where you see the company headed?
So this is a sizable round for us. So this essentially gives us a very good runway to continue our journey into early growth. We believe that with this $11 million, we should be able to build a sizable business, for Atomicwork and have a fairly long runway. That's one of the reasons why we have kind of raised, a significant round. At this point, the funds that we have are uh, enough for us to have the next 3+ years of runway.
And what's the view then when it comes to the SaaS sector as a whole, given that it's so evolving and so prevalent at a time like this?
I think it's a great opportunity, especially from an India standpoint. I think we are still in a very, very early innings from a B2B SaaS perspective. I believe we will see a lot more, growth for companies, essentially targeting the US mid-market and enterprise segment from India. I think in the last wave, what we have seen is, some of our Indian companies targeting mostly SMB market, but we are increasingly seeing that now we are moving up the value chain and going after mid-market to enterprise segment where the dollar spend is high and it's a big opportunity for Atomicwork and other Indian SaaS companies.
Let's move right on then. And my